Dhamangaon Railway Vidhan Sabha constituency is one of the 288 Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly constituencies in Maharashtra state in western India. This constituency is part of the 8 constituencies located in the Amravati district. Dhamangaon Railway is part of the Wardha Lok Sabha constituency along with 5 other Vidhan Sabha segments, namely Wardha, Arvi, Deoli and Hinganghat in Wardha district and Morshi in Amravati district. The Dhamangaon Railway constituency was earlier known as the Chandur Railway Constituency before the delimitation of constituencies in 2009. As per Orders of Delimitation of Parliamentary and Assembly Constituencies Order, 2008, Number 36, Dhamangaon Railway Vidhan Sabha constituency is composed of the following: 1. Nandgaon-Khandeshwar Tehsil, 2. Chandur Railway Tehsil and 3. Dhamangaon Railway Tehsil of the district. Members of Legislative Assembly 2014, Virendra Jagdap, Indian National Congress, 36 Dhamangaon Railway Constituency of Maharashtra. 2009, Virendra Jagdap, Indian National Congress, 36 Dhamangaon Railway Constituency of Maharashtra. 2004, Virendra Jagdap, Indian National Congress, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1999, Arunachal Bharatiya Janata Party, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1995, Dr. Panjarang Dol Janata Dal, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1990, Arunachal Bharatiya Janata Party, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1985, Yashwant Shekhar Indian National Congress, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1980, Yashwant Shekhar Indian National Congress, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1978, Sudhakar Savalik Indian National Congress, 126 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1972, Sharad Tasar Indian National Congress, 116 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1967, Borao Gulabrao Jadhav Indian National Congress, 116 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1962, Borao Gulabrao Jadhav Indian National Congress, 180 Chandur Constituency of Maharashtra. 1957, Pundalik Ramkrishna Chor Indian National Congress, 271 Chandur Constituency of Bombay State. 1951, Pundalik Ramkrishna Chor Indian National Congress, 152 Chandur Constituency of Madhya Pradesh. 1951, Borao Gulabrao Jadhav Indian National Congress, 153 Talegaon Constituency of Madhya Pradesh. See also: Data for Dhamangaon. List of constituencies of Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha. References.